Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn about classes in Java. Classes are the core component in most of the object-oriented programming languages. So before learning classes, let's first understand what is an object. To understand the objects in programming language, let's understand the object in the real world. An object can be anything, and in our real life, an object can be a laptop, a chair, a table, a book, a car. All these are objects in our real life. Objects always share two characteristics. They all have state and they all have behaviors. For example, a car have state like brand, color, model and have behavior like braking, accelerating, slowing down or changing gears. The same way, an object in any programming language to have state and behavior. A software object maintains its state in variables and implements its behavior with methods. So, from the above example of car object, we can say that object is a collection of variables and methods. Variables here are the different states like brand, color, model, and methods are like different behaviors like braking, accelerating, slowing down, and changing gears. Then, what is class in Java? A class can be defined as a template or blueprint that describes the behavior or states that object of its type support. Classes are the templates for the creation of objects. When we see a template, it means it always has the same structure and implementation. They set out rules for how the objects that they contain may behave. So, all the objects created from a single class share the same behavior and state. The difference between a class and an object is that classes are created when the program is created, but the objects are created at the runtime. For example, if we create a class car and create an object Honda from that car class, then we can say that Honda car object is an instance of the class of objects known as car. Honda car can have some states and behavior. However, each brand of car will have its own state and behaviors. Here you can see we have a class as car and we have different variables or states of the class car, that is model, color and brand, and we have different methods or behaviors, that is change speed or change gear. When we will create object of the car class, then maybe the object will be a Mahindra and model. You can see here XUV 500, color is black, then brand is Mahindra. Then if we'll have another object having model number Baleno or color blue, brand is Maruti. Again we have another object where we have model is Honda City, color is white and brand is Honda. Let's see this with an example. Let's go to Eclipse and create a new class known as car. We'll create a class as car, and inside car what we'll do, we'll give different variables: model, color and brand. So let's write private string and model. Similarly, we'll have private string color. Similarly, we'll have private string brand. So these are the variables or states. We have defined three variables: model, color and brand. Similarly, we can create different methods like change speed or change gear. Let's create one method and we'll name it as public void change speed. And what we'll do, we'll just do a sysout and let's print changing the speed. Also I can create another method and I will name it as display car details. So what we will do here is we will print, for example, model of the car plus model. Similarly, what we'll do, we'll do color and we'll do brand. So what we are doing is we are showing inside this method we will print model of the car, color of the car and brand of the car. So let's how can we use it? So first we need to create one object inside the main method. We'll create object of the car class. So what we'll do, car, then for example object name is Honda equal to new car. So this is how we can create object of a class. Now we have to use Honda dot brand. So what is the brand? Anyway we know brand is Honda. We'll assign the value. Okay. So this is our first object. Using the object we are assigning the value. Then Honda dot color equal to white. Similarly, what we have, Honda dot model equal to Honda City. Now we have assigned the values. Now what we'll do, we'll use change speed method. We'll call the change speed method. Also we'll call display car details method. Okay. So this is one object. Similarly, what we'll do, we'll create another object. And here the object name is, for example, Maruti. And using same object name, Maruti brand, again brand is Maruti and color is blue and model is Baleno. Method name remains same. We'll just call it using this object name. Okay. Now let's execute it. So what we are seeing here, first we are seeing changing the speed, because for this we are change speed, inside change speed we are just printing this, changing the speed. Then we are printing these values for Honda, Honda City, white and Honda. Then here we are printing the for Maruti. So we created two objects of one class and we assigned the values to it and we printed. So this is how you can create a class and you can create object of that and you can use it. Thank you. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.